Hello, hello. Hello, we are doing a thing. I see concurrent viewers one. Does that mean someone's here? Um I've got my mic kind of it's not in my face, so let me know if my audio is okay. I've also rearranged my room a bit today. It's feeling like the desk's back against the wall, so the camera is now looking at an angle. So when I'm looking this way, I'm seeing my laptop. It's like I'm looking at my laptop. And when I'm looking up there, it's the stream. So, and I've done a terrible thing, which is have a bit of granola square. Oh, look, when I look up, I get glare, don't I? So I sort of need to stay. I guess if I was standing, it wouldn't be the same thing, but because I'm looking up at the camera, it means that there might be a bit of glare from the key light. Not ideal. We'll be all right. So what was I going to work on? I'm just going to have a look at what we've got. Pause. So this morning I did rearrange my studio. Um, wasn't feeling like doing too much, to be honest, because this food poisoning, it still got me. I should check the audio's okay. Let me just check. Have a listen in. Have a listen in. Yeah, looks all right. If you do jump on, just like drop a comment so I hear a little clock, and I'll be able to say hello. Now, the first thing I usually do, should I have should I have a desk cam? What's on 3? Should I get my desk cam going? I'm going to keep it sort of unobtrusive. Means I've got to rotate the desk cam. Webcam mode. Hey, is there a quicker way to activate, to like flip the camera around? Is there like a gesture on the Pocket 3 to like flip the camera around? Okay, so if we went to 3, let's keep this up. So if we went to 3, you would see, oh look, and if I go view, second camera shows video pencil, see now I'm on here. And so I could even like turn off face cam for this, couldn't I? Because you can still see me. I could like zoom in a bit. Desk cam. So I'm just gonna, so what I'm supposed to be doing right now is planning my day, which I have not done yet. So it's Friday, 17th. Open projects include, that's kind of in the way. The side on the other side is a little in the way. I'm just going to switch it back to this side. Kind of big as well. That's okay. Yeah, open projects. Zoom app, I'm waiting. Video pencil, I'm kind of working on it, but I just don't feel like doing it today. I've got because I've got to I've got to think about. I haven't really thought about how I'm going to do. Look, I'll show you what the thing that I've got to figure out is. Can we come around a bit more here? So on here, media, like here's a football video, right? And you can like go into football mode and tap on a player, and it'll like. Let me just bring this around this side so you can see. So you can sort of like tap on a player, but you see that's already transferred. So I've got to like just make sure that this is going to be. You see that went from there to there. That this is going to be fit for purpose. But also, when you tap on someone, I need a UI for. Well, I need it to zoom. Let's just write this down. Um, Football pack. What is next? What is left in the football pack? Football pack is so we need to support zooming. UI to select player number. Oh look, when I type it, like wobbles the. Even though it's on a gimbal, the Osmo, so it shouldn't wobble too much, should it? Can I see if there's anyone here? Hard to know. UI to select the player number because you tap on them, but at the moment it just gives you the auto-generated ID, which is not the correct thing. So I was like but I was thinking also like some of this if I can like close video if I can like with machine learning like OCR their shirt if there's like oops if there's like if I can read the number off a player's shirt then I might as well use that, right? If it's there, and then only make you set it if I can't find it, so I can track the player through the video, and if at any point you can see the number clearly, I can then just like tie that back to that ID. So I'm thinking like I want to start by doing machine learning on it, like by doing OCR on it, and then like let you override that, right? Um, I'm on ultra low latency, by the way. It's a new day. It's a new dawn. Um, so what else is there? So I need to UI to select the player number. I need figure out the ball. What to do? Out what the ball button does because I am tracking the football. Oh look, it's weird that football is still there. Yeah. So I am tracking the football. Oh, I keep accidentally tapping the touch screen on my Stream Deck, and it turns off the key light. I don't know if that's a good because I moved it to this side. All right, so figure out what the ball button does. Implement price requirements, right? So if remove watermark for the pack, but if no core essentials watermarked normal tools. That was what I was thinking for that. And then like App Store screenshot. The App Store screenshot. The what else? Oh, I wanted to add a 720p setting to CueCam. I might just do that quickly. Because like most people don't have 1080p on Zoom, so why am I not giving you a 720p option for CueCam? There was something else, right? Yeah, and just the marketing in app because I basically got some AI trash in there at the moment. Okay, I'm just going to save that. Right, so that video pencil, I know what's got to be done for that. We've got VP. We've got VP, like I say, we've got video pencil, football pack, right? Football. Then we got VP decks. So I've got to rebase all the stuff I've been doing on the football pack back into the main project. Finish. Rebase. And then the issue with the video pencil Maybe I can bring it up. If I grab the project, well, I've got a new video trimmer. So the video pencil thing. Where is? Yeah. So what have we got on here? Oh yeah. So I can actually see new pricing. I don't think I do need new pricing. I think I'm just going to let you do it. Tidy up video trimming, re-implement NDI. Yeah, I've got to test that the action replay pause. Oh no, look, I got a lolly for myself and I forgot about it. That's a little bit undignified. It's a little bit undignified, isn't it? Test that the action replay time display. Okay, so I've actually only got a couple of things to do, which is gonna. It's not gonna be more money. It's in a glass. Maybe I'll just drink it as a drink. And then I've got CueCam 4.0, which is kind of what I'm feeling today. Kind of want to have a look at CueCam 4. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Fire up Xcode for CueCam 4.0. But I might start with a very boring bit of the old refactoring. Yawn. So I'm going to do a bit of CueCam. So afternoon. I mean, I'm supposed to actually do some music today, but I did have an idea, but I'm just not gonna. So let's just do a bit of CueCam. Right, so make slide designs cascade instead of replacing everything. That's a good bit of work. Right, so if I grab, shall we just do a screen share? I'll do like an Xcode terminal, like a limited screen share. So if hey Phil, Phil, sorry, I was doing a wide eye to make my camera focus. Have you got your ice cream? Oh, hi. Who's this? How do you like? Hi, Cohen TDB. Put user. Like, how do you like see who someone is? I'm looking at the tools. Right. Yeah. So what I was going to do was Kuhn. Okay. Kuhn. Pronounced kun. Okay. Yeah, so I was going to share Xcode, and then I was going to do the old add app. Oh, terminal. Oh, it's doing it on the other window, I see. Is this a situation where I'm going to work on the how did you find me today, Kun? Um right, is this yeah, this is right, isn't it? Philip, we're on wait, give me a we are on ultra low latency YouTube today. I thought, why not? And actually, I quite like it because I can almost use the YouTube preview as a monitor now, which you can't usually. You sort of have to look up at the other one. Okay, cool. So I'm going to just pin that because that's fun. I'm just going to stick that in the feed. Working on a Swift UI render type code. Found my work very interesting. That's cool. Well, you might see a bit of that in a moment. You might see a bit of the production code. I'm going to go even brighter. It's like the brighter I go, the paler I look. But I did just have food poisoning. FYI. Oh, did that automatically disappear? No, I just need to test, right? Okay, a pin. Now this is supposed to be removed automatically after a bit, but I think maybe the timer's set too long. Um, so I'm just waiting to see if this comment's going to go away. No, it doesn't, does it? Actually, let's have a look. Pinned YouTube. Pinned. What do I call this? YouTube. YouTube comment. Chat view. I was looking for. Oh, it did. Did it remove itself? Yeah, that removed itself. I think it's just set a bit long. So yeah, 60 seconds is too long. This is YouTube chat view, by the way. So when it's, what does it do? Oh no, this is the wrong thing. Oh yeah, pinned comment takes a pinned comment struct, but what looks at that is just yeah, YouTube chat view. No, not YouTube chat view. That's Swift UI. But if I look at what do we think? Stream overlays view, right? So this is real-time view. This is my own stuff. So you see, this looks like Swift UI, but this is actually fully my own framework. And so that's what does that pinned comment thing that you just saw there when I pinned your comment. I'll pin another one. Also, want to get into video content creation, preferably something I can leverage Swift for. Is my understanding correct that your work enables that? Yep, CueCam is my app. That is the app. So I'm live streaming with CueCam right now. You can also record. So yeah, basically, this is all video, real-time video stuff. So it is very much part of what I'm doing. So yeah, if you're on the Squares TV mailing list, then you'll see the sort of weekly lives. What do you think's a good timeout for the comment to be pinned? It's like 20 seconds is enough, right? Like it's I think 20 is more than enough. I'm just hard coding 20 seconds, but 60 seconds was way too long. Oh, but also this is the wrong. Sorry, I mean that's the wrong version. Close. Let's go back to the normal open recent CueCam. I just want to make sure I do that YouTube chat view, and let's just do 20 there. Because what I was going to do was I should add GitHub desktop to this, to the share. So add app, we're going to add GitHub desktop. And so now we're going to have 3 shares, and then I'm going to save that as save that to slot 5. Okay. So now, if you wanted to see what I'm doing. So this is CueCam. This is what I'm streaming with. And I just saved this screen share to here. So when I tap on that, well, you're not going to see it now, but got some slots there. This demo is not going very well. Let's exit demo mode. It's all going weird. But anyway, when I clicked on that button, it comes in and out of screen share. Let it depend on comment length. I don't want to do that. It's like, how long is a comment? How long? I don't know. It's never going to be longer than. If it's too long, you just repin it. Comment length. I mean, you do. Fine. Fine. So what's the ratio? So if I were to be on on here. Okay, so let's say this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think that's 10 seconds max, isn't it? And then gone. I think that's 10 seconds. So however many characters that is, I'm literally going to count this. 1, 2, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, say 7. So say 60 is 10 seconds. So 60. So pinned comment. Let's time to removal time interval equals pinned pinned comment equals that. See, now we're having to move stuff around. Pinned comment and then pinned comment dot what do we want? Scalar, Unicode scalars dot count times 10 into 60. Is that going to work? What's that going to give us? So let's make this let's do that. Queuing some thoughts. So pop, do you recommend do you recommend CueCam for programmatic video editing / composing? I absolutely do not. It's all about live. It's all about shooting something live, working with the teleprompter, drawing. Oh man. Yeah, like just having a really nice performance hub. So that's what CueCam's for. Programmatic video editing, I'm pretty against. Although, I mean, to be honest, I think it's better that you edit your own videos because you learn so much. Right, the process of editing is how you learn to get better at presenting, is how you learn to make better videos. And if you just delegate that to an AI, you are not like learning anything about yourself, right? If you just like let something else edit it programmatically, like I did, when I started podcasting and editing, it was the first time I'd really recorded my voice for a long time. Yeah, it was so important that I did that, went through that process of editing to just really learn, how to make it work. And then as you get better, as you understand yourself better, then you can just do it in one take and you're not needing to do any editing anymore, which is really what CueCam is designed for. It's like once you're past too much need for editing. The only thing that CueCam might have is, I don't know if you've seen CueCam per se, like I don't know if you've actually looked at it, but CueCam has scripts, and at the moment you sort of like record the whole script in one go. But what I am thinking is at some point you can like do different takes and like pick it up on card 6 and it will kind of stitch it together for you. Maybe a bit of UI to pick the right take. But yeah, it's never going to be like a programmatic automatic editor thing. It's always going to put that in your hands because I think it's such a subtle thing. Like editing is such an art form that I would never want a machine to be doing it. Shall we I just want to sanity check that this is. Trouble is, I don't have a good way to. Do we have a? I don't have a good way to sanity check this this logic. Like I don't have any tests for this. I threw this in. I don't even have a preview for it. And my previews don't really work on the CueCam main project because it is not sandboxed. and Swift previews don't really work on haven't really worked in Xcode properly for a while if you're not sandboxed. Let's say I have a benign need for such a capability with you editing composing on top. Yeah, like happy to talk about anything, to be honest. And I'd love to see the framework kind of gets tested in some other ways. But yeah, um, yeah, sure. Um, I would like to see it get a little bit of a test beyond. But yeah, you can drop me an email. Um, we can do a call. Um, sorry, I'm just getting like this was not. You see, now I've got to like test it, which I didn't when I just put 20 seconds in. I've just got to make sure that I'm not insane. But I just want like a Swift runtime. Okay, I literally just want a playground. Just give me a quick playground without making. It's going to make me next. Please don't make me choose where it's going to go. That's what I'm looking forward to with the new Xcode is like not having to save a playground file or a Swift preview file. You know how they're doing that thing. So if I go, oh yeah, okay. So say we've got this comment that tech message is this. Or what did we say? We were looking at. I'm working on Swift UI. Sorry, I'm just like using your comment. I'm working on Swift UI. So then I just wanted to go message.unicode scalers.count is, come on, just auto run. 84, really? Okay. And so then so then we're just going to go times 10 into 60 is going to give us 14. So do we go? No, we want like, let's say 9 into 60. Let's go 8. Yeah, bit of guesswork. Ooh, 6? Okay, we're just going to go 7, leave it at that. Never think about that ever again for the rest of our days. Ah, man. Lifting this toddler has really messed up my wrist. I think it's been months. Like my wrist has been a bit messed up. Just like, and I lifted the standing desk awkwardly today when I was testing the rig. And like it's like using the trackpad is hurting. So yeah, that sucks. Right, so this is our. Oh, sorry, actually got to put that number in times removal, or we are not going to. That's not going to result in anything. All right, so tune your duration with which YouTube chat messages are pinned for. Tune the chat. Oh my god. YouTube chat pinned chat message duration timer. Sorry, these are. So the way I work here is if I put a asterisk in front of a commit, then that's going to go into my change log, which then can become public facing. So I just always I need to try and write these because yeah. So once when I commit, all the ones with an asterisk since the last build get pulled into the change log, and then when I post that, it goes in there. So always got to try and think about what that is. Right. So what I wanted to work on was the new one, which was, I mean, I guess if it's co-working, I don't need to be constantly talking, do I? So maybe I should just wait for questions. You don't need to listen to me blathering on if we're just getting on with some stuff. But I suppose it's good if if I explain what I'm doing though. Now, um, Philip has me on mute. I have never been. But wait, how do you know what I just said then? Um, right, sorry. I need to rebase. Like, so this is a Git. Um, I always want to say subtree, but it's called something else, isn't it? Working tree. I'm never quite sure how it works with. I'm still not quite used to it. How does it? If I do rebase main. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I did not commit any of this stuff last time. What is this? Got some real-time Swift changes. Main window changes. And slide background. String binding. Movie binding. Oh yeah, I was doing all this stuff, but why was I doing this? God, this serves me right for. What's this? Okay, that's fine. Beat sheet. Oh, this I changed how the bindings all worked, didn't I? I was optimizing. Presenting IDs first. Unified toolbar button. The thing I did replaced core text rendering, and then this was all. This was all. This was I was working on how to. Right, I need to add another app, which is going to be CueCam 4. CueCam 4. Okay, let's switch that camera to the good one. Okay, and let's reset thumbnails. Oh, that was interesting. Right. So I was doing something where, oh yeah, this was like what did you click on stuff. Right, I need to not break my documents. Penguins. I think I had my, this was just, I've redone how the inspector works basically so that you click on something to zoom it. All right. So I think it's work. Okay. This is going to be painful. Git rebase main. I like to do my rebasing in VS Code. Add another app. Oh no, did I just select it the wrong? What's going on here? Interesting. Interesting. Right. Oh, this. Swift snapshot testing. Why is it not in? Why is that gone missing? Okay, so we just what? I accept current, complete merge, continue. Project. Oh man, I don't like these ones. I'm going to be like accepting current on these. Continue. What's next? Presenter. Presenter state. But I know I need both because look, I made final class. This is we need both. Complete merge. Oh, this is working well, isn't it? It's actually like letting me click the thing. I'll just bring that in a little bit so you can see. It's quite cool. This the rebase is almost quite nice. Right, what's this? Live streaming control. I think I need both. Sorry, I'm rebasing. So this is the stuff that's on my. So current, which is on the right for some. Why is current on the right? So current is. Current has a refresh, right? Because that I just gave up, right? So CueCam main. In live streaming controls, I added refresh. It wasn't in there, but I also added some stuff there. So again, it's the combination. And then this was me just trying to make it work and failing. So I think I actually accept, I accept this. Okay. This is, what is this? So this is unfortunately my day, right? Like I've done too much work on another branch and now we're out of sync. think this is right. Document window state. I changed. I guess I added. Oh, you know what I've got to be careful of is if I move the file completely. So, should we look for rendering thumbnail in the project? Yeah, so I've got to put that in there. Clear the thumbnails. Okay, I feel good about that. Because what's this now? Okay, use. So then we keep this. We want to accept this, please. Huh? Where's the conflict? Where was I just then? I'm just going to be like, yeah, come on. Can I just like, is this what we're getting? Okay, I'm just going to say accept incoming. Yeah, screw it. I will know pretty quickly if that's broken. Okay, what's this? This is really annoying. Accept incoming generally. Complete merge. Continue. Commit. Can you hear that dog? Oh, this. C kit. Okay, continue. What happens if we press show conflicts? Okay, yeah, this is easy. Oops. Can I edit in 270? That's fine. Oh, look, you see it got confused by the fact that I also changed the build setting. Complete merge, continue, commit. Is there an unresolved can review? I want both. Complete merge. I recently realized that I should have been using final class for everything. Everywhere. What's this? Show conflicts. I don't see enough okay. Right, end stream and live stream. Oh, look, I added. This is exactly the same. Let's take this one. I implemented it on the wrong one. If revealed. I need this one. But what is... I need this, right? But what? Oh yeah, app state or ready to. So we just need to bring this in. Yeah, that's fine. Continue. Oh, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Show me the conflicts. Show me the conflicts. Cannot continue as there are unresolved. What's this? What's happening? Package not resolved. What's happening here? Is this it? No, that's fine. Can I continue? And then can I continue my rebase? Where's my rebase gone? What's this? Is this my rebase? Continue. Can I continue the rebase operation? Sometimes you just got to go, oh no, it's gone weird. Git status, right? This is git code. What's happened here? Is there a conflict? I don't see a conflict. So can I just go git add git rebase continue? Now, conflicts project. This is right. And this is right. So if I click on this side, I'm going to get 15.6. Oh no, I want 14 though. I want 14. No, I want 14. I don't know, maybe 15.6 is okay. Why is it 15.6? Let's just at least make it 15.0. 15.0 combination. One more. So I think that should have been 15.6. I mean, continue. It's really confused when something, when a Mac version, when like a minor version is important. I'm going to accept incoming because I'm in the middle of working on this. Real-time renderer. This, I need both. Continue. Yeah, you see I had a lot of rebasing to do. Continue, please. What's wrong? What's happened? What is the... Like, what is the issue? Git add. Continue. Pause, localizable. These are just always whatever, except always accept combo on those ones because they're auto-generated. Continue, commit, and we're getting there. We're getting there. Render a state. What's this? Guest luck cache. Oh yeah, because I added what? Guest source name. Guest source name. Guest luck guest is included. I think I need this, right? But why is it? Oh, because there was like a white space there. Okay, thanks, Git. Continue, commit. Right, we're so close. We're so close now. Yeah, we'll have combination there. Commit. Let me know if you want to say anything about your programming. Editing slash I'm just thinking about editing and composing and how that would work. Right, a combo. I'm not even gonna look at this. Oops. Continue, commit. Come on. Filter modifier. We need combo. So I've got my version numbers. I need both. Oops, no. Need both. Continue. How long have I been doing this? Swift interest. Oh, this was a nightmare. I want this one. Oh no, I might not want that one. Okay, I think we're can I come back to this? Ah, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Whatever. How do I get back to my how do I get back to the commit? How do I get back to my git rebase continue? All right, what's happened here? What is this? Unmerged, deleted by them, real-time text. Because I moved some stuff around, didn't I? I think I just accept incoming, right? So let's see what happens. We can always pull it across again. Git rebase continue. Please. Oh God. Oh man. This is going to be so destroyed. Accept incoming. Complete. Deck editor window. Remove. How do I? Stage changes? Stage changes. Delete file. Okay. Presenter. I already resolved this, didn't I? Maybe not. Oops. What's this? We need this. Yeah, we need that. I think we need both. This is a definite combo situation. This is a definite combo sitch. Oh, two. Except incoming. Yeah. This is combo. I do in my head in that it's put the current on the right. like as if I needed any more confusion. Okay, let's just see if this works. Come on. Please. Please. Are we good? Okay. Does it build? I very much doubt it will. Let's have a look though. Now, why are we let's just can I like reset zoom on this screen share? Can I just clear zoom? And then when we're here, this is, yeah, no, that looks more like it. But I'm supposed to be looking at this. Yeah, okay, you can see that. So maybe I can even just drag that up a bit. Because the menu's on. Right. Fine. No. Oh, it exists. Okay, we just need to do a file, packages, result package versions might do it, or we might have to do reset pack. Working on a framework as part of your main project in Xcode, once you've got packages, it's really it does not kind of keep up with certain changes on the file system, and you end up having to go reset package cache. I don't want to do the whole cache because it's going to break all my other dependencies because I did some sketchy package resolution, conflict resolution thing. Okay, what are we getting? Let's just reset. Oh, actually, that did seem. Oh yeah, real-time Swift duplicate modifier. Whoops. Public. What do we want? Public final or final public? Which way round am I doing this? What's my convention? Changed it on both sides. Final public, final public final, final private final, public final. Okay, we're going public final. That is our convention. Errors only, maybe? Let's see. Okay, we're building. It's building. But like, oh, maybe I should put my I should put my face cam on the other side. I thought it bottom left. Just so that I'm like looking at oh, cannot assign, cannot force unwrap, non-optional type, image source. Oops. What's this? Cannot assign text. New card. Okay, so I made this. Oh, but can I go? Where's duplicated? Oh, self.duplicated. Yeah, okay. This is yeah, I can't. Oh, I think I just go replace text with. I just made that a little bit more. No, that's weird. This is supposed to be. That's fine. Card thumbnail generator is now. Correct. Document label. Right, that's weird. I thought it was the other way before. Nearly there. What's this? Image source. Replace with a remote URL. Okay, so we should be back up. No, what's this? That's here. What is this? Preview card editor. Placeholder PNG. Sample code. Oh, no, but that's not. There should be an image source URL. Hmm. Uh, so I'm just going to open up this one as well and just check document window state. You know, this thumbnail generator's got loads of arguments. In fact, this whole thing is... Why? What happened to this? This is what this is supposed to be. Whenever you are ready. Come on. Is it building? It's got stuck on something. Got stuck on something in it. Oh, there we go. Can you give me my error? Schedule YouTube stream view. Look, the main thing is the rebase has been done after a few weeks of not doing it. And the bad thing is it's going to give me a could not reconcile this blah 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 in time error eventually. Is it? Come on. Okay, we got it. It was this. Okay, studio sidebar was line missing arguments for what? One up here. Generator equals document windows. I just go document. Okay. Come on. Okay, I think we're in business. I guess when I zoom my screen, it doesn't do it because... Okay, we're running. Is it going to crash immediately? Probably. Right, already running because we've already got 4.0 running there. So let's try that again. It's clearly caught on something. Is it? But also it's getting filtered out. Okay, let's just try why is it not loading? There must be I just share my damn desktop. I'll just share my desktop. So this is like reset zoom out. Right. Is this not? Yeah. So we just we're not doing. I did some stuff with. Okay. Some stuff. Current boot step. If I go like file new. If I go like which progress view is this? That's camera. Can I like make it give me I'm supposed to do something. Am I am I attached to this process? Yeah. Why am I not hitting that breakpoint? And This .view wrapper in here. Right, so I must be here. App state dot ready to show documents. Show callers. So show callers. I don't think this is getting okay. Maybe apps dot. Maybe this isn't even getting called. State dot boot. Yeah, so it's not ready to show documents. So state dot. Okay, so we're not getting as far as unified document view. So we're not going to get app state dot boot. So in the main app, this happens in live camera window appear. But this is not. Okay, CueCam document group, Z stack. I guess we do this. Boot. Await. But this is idempotent, right? Has booted. But also has booted. Okay, there we go. Come on. In doubt, remove the breakpoints. Come on, right, so here is CueCam 4. CueCam 4.0. Now, you need to make sure that the window size and shape doesn't clip off the stuff at the bottom. Or, I've been wondering what I think about this stuff down the bottom, and if I just want to. I mean, I like having the mic metering. I like having the little. Oops. I like having the little mic meter in this window, but I kind of think. Because once you've got a sidebar, so we've got a sidebar here. I'd quite like to know why the reset thumbnails is twice. Should we do that first? Card thumbnail generation, countdown button. Okay, let's just say sidebar. Has got deck card list. And then it's got a safe area inset, but I suspect the deck card list is including. Should we just like delete the first one we see? I need to bring my camera button back. I need to bring my camera button back in my Stream Deck. Oh, I don't have a toggle camera button in the Stream Deck. How was I doing this? Website, camera. Do I have to set the color? Okay. And it's going to be copy deep link to toggle camera URL camera. Okay, toggle camera. And then we want new one. This could get messy, couldn't it? Okay, reset thumbnails is now. Now what's going on here? Why is this toolbar? Like these should be in the navigation area. Back and clear. Oh, I put them in. Yeah, no, we need those to be in navigation. Teleprompter, record, go live, inspect. And whatever you've clicked on. Ooh, that's fun. So I click on my camera. Now I'm adjusting the camera. That's quite good, isn't it? That's quite good. I just tapped the key light again. Oh, oh no, come back. You think get request in the background works yet? No, because it will. Yeah, so I click on the camera. I get my camera settings. Click on this picture. That's not updating, but if I come back to it, maybe it will be. Yeah, so edits aren't. Edits aren't. Oh, that worked though. Yeah, so I changed it and it didn't. So we got stuff like that to figure out. But yeah, okay, I can click on that. And then something I've been thinking about. Right, so what we currently don't have is the ability to add a card, which has become a bit annoying. But I looked at Keynote. Oh, add slide, that gets it does get a toolbar button for add slide. Has that always been there? Or you could go like new slide. Can we go new slide in here? Yeah, we can go add slide, add card after. This window goes wrong really quickly. Clear and inspect. Like teleprompt. Oh, should I make a group for these then? No, because I think that's going to get too much if they're all. These do need to be distinct, but I think clear is more important. See, they made some improvements for iOS. No, yeah, Mac OS 27 for these toolbars, but they're pretty cursed in 26 still. Like actually controlling what buttons stay and what don't stay is really kind of unpredictable sometimes. So I need to, but I really need that to be solid. But it may be. So what goes first? So the first thing to go is the inspect. But actually, but then if you just double click, then you get inspect. So that's okay. Second thing to go is clear, which I'm not too happy about. But like, I don't need these ones to stick around. I'm going to stick these in secondary. Teleprompter. Okay, so in here I've stuck these. So this is actually I run. Okay, we're just going to rename primary toolbar content because it's not. I'm not putting it in primary. I'm putting it in secondary. Seeing how that affects the order of things. Okay. Oh, so now that's there. It's still keeping that for longer than it's keeping my back and clear button, which I don't like. I want these to go first. Right in principle. Mm. Thanks for the email. Can. Mm. Right. What happens if I change the window size now? We get. Yeah, I just can't. These just. Why are these so important? So bring that back to where it was and just. I think we just have to. Why didn't that work? I should have shared. I wonder why that's not. What's happening here? Pocket. Quite cool if I could actually. Really, that should have a little preview of what's currently on there. But that's getting crazy. Maybe the last thing it saw. Maybe if it's running. If it happens to be running. Osmo. Show zone. So what happens when this is view components? CueCam show zone. Cameras result. Okay, yeah, so we're actually just not doing anything for cameras. So I should go right. That's it. Mm. So if we go pocket 3, enter, there it is. Clear, back, clear, back, pocket 3. FaceTime, sharing, escape. I bet you what image does it want? Image is some image. So can I go image, platform image? Presenter dot source registry dot source name source dot name dot image CG image. Okay, so shall we just let's have a thing here. So we'll go image source image source form. Okay, let's have a source image for source and just go. No, this needs to be image. And then we need a default. Image, right? Default. If let source name presenter source registry dot source named let image ci image equals source dot image. What's the best way to get? I need to like render it down. Is the problem? I need to like render it down. And that's so that's a CI image. CI context dot create CG image from. This is mine, right? Create CG image. Okay, so I need a CI context. Have I got a CI context kicking around? Presenter.ci context. So real time virtual camera renderer CI context dot create CG image equals dot create CG image CI image from CI image dot extent scaled to fit size CG size width. Okay. Image, platform image, CG image. I'm going to scale it down. Dot bounds. Dot extent. And then scaled image size. And this needs to be okay. This is annoying. Let's just let's do that on the end, and then say okay. And then that's going to be name. Okay, so this should now I mean, there's so much tinkering to do here. I don't know how to ever make any progress on this. So if I go like Osmo Pocket 3, right, escape. Next time I go to Osmo Pocket 3, I should see like, oh, that's weird. Oh, is it like, I bet if I went cam link though. Oh look, CueCam dev is that's weird. That's yeah, no, don't do that. Um you can't share the main camera. Hmm. So I can double click on here and get my camera settings. This should be this needs to be chunky. And should we just go like, should we just make this like juicy? Font dot headline title. No, no, it's like under. Oh, that's weird. I gave it top padding and it. What's that about? Yes, I will be quitting airtime. I installed airtime to see if it's any good. Um. Oh yeah, now it's really behind everything. What is setting the frame of the inspect? What? That's okay now. Oh man, that was just like a Mac bug. What is that X? What is this X up at the top? Um, that's second camera. Sorry, I'm looking at camera and shared content. Um, okay, otherwise, camera settings. That's what we're seeing. And then it's got like a random thing there. Get rid of that. Grid. we do not need this icon. This is where it would be good to. Is my voice? I'm still in sync and everything, right? This is all still like working okay. Right, this is all still like working. Okay, we've been 2.5. I don't know. We've been 2.5. I don't know. Yeah, we've been live ages, and CueCam's held up nicely. Ages and CueCam's held up nicely. Um. Okay, background blur. Background blur. Why does it say blur? Um. Let's say background blur. Can I do this without? Right, that's under grid. This is background image settings. So I want to say section. Do I still have my lowercase section? Yeah. um, we're just gonna have to stick our own. I don't. I want this to. Okay, and then can I just go sections dot? Come on, Michael. Key path. Where did I? Oh, it's not custom sections modifier, it's section style. Uh, yeah, let's. My wrist. Okay, there we go. Background, camera LUT. Yeah, that's better. Adjustments. I still have to. Um, oh, this does not need to be a damn radio button. Can definitely be a drop down. That hide button is just not really helping. And then so for adjustments, let's just, do we think these are caption? I think we just bold it. Why is this? Okay, so why have we, okay, then camera LUT needs to also be a section. Uh, can I just do like form on that? I'm just going to do form on this. So it just like looks better. And then I'm going to bring in camera effects. So then it's going to have been worth watching because you're going to see something pretty cool. I wish I could just do this in Swift previews though. This is a really slow way of doing it. Okay, camera LUT applied, background. That made no difference, so let's just undo that form thing. That did nothing. Quality level. Should we stick a spacer? Why is this? My this section Style relaxed. So shall we say relaxed? Padding top. Content of padding top 8. Got to be careful with that actually, because the content might be a tuple. Man, this is a really slow way to work, and I want to get. This is really slow. When you're just trying to. Yeah, I think that's put in. No, let's just put it here. That would make more sense. Chances of the Swift previews working are so low that I'm just not even going to bother. Why is adjustments? Oh, because adjustments doesn't use the thing. All right. Okay. So we're going to assume that's going to look all right. And then adjustments. Slider row. These are kind of shader control. Padding bottom 8. How often are these used? Camera. Oh, this is also used for the green screen controls. I might just cut that bottom padding in half. Where's that quality level? Let's just put an icon in there. Right. Where is email? Isn't working. Email's like black in Arc. That's weird. Okay. I think this looks nice. I think. Oh, I'll tell you what. Why is it? Okay, this looks good, right? This is looking a bit neater. So we've got adjustments. I might put background first. What order do these go in? Okay, I think adjustments goes after, goes before camera LUT. Oh, why is camera lot ended up in section background? That's weird. It should be down here. And then we're going to put that there. And then I'm going to have actually first my cool effects, which currently is a card inspector, I believe. Oh, that's like, let's see if we can get it to appear by like making a card or something. So if we click here, camera and shared content. Oh, why has this got so much space now? Camera adjustment. Oh, why is this not? Okay, this camera and shared content. Well, that's meaningless. I'm realizing. So this is. Okay, we got something with text on it somewhere. Oops. Well, you'll be all right. Yeah, you'll be all right. I need something with text in it. I click on there. Okay, here we go. Effect. This is what I need to put in now. So should we just try? Yeah, that's weird. Let's try. Camera settings view. Right. So if let right. So if there's if we've selected something. Right. So there's presented info there. Right. But before this, we can put. Do we have doc? You undo binding. My own deprecation message there. Okay. We are about to turn into airtime, but like way better. Hello. 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 Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh wait, what was it on? Hello. Oh, the mic's gone. What happened? Is my main mic gone? Oh, the mic. Should we try just using a different one? Hello. Oh. Why is it lost? Hello. Why did it lose the? Ah, there it is. Hello. Drama. Shoo. Okay, let's. Oh, I'm still. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Why is headphone monitoring still on? Oh dear. Oh dear. Wow. Oh, I'm so very sad. CRTs not implemented. VHS. Crowd. Let's try. Oh, it's not gonna let me. So I can do that. Go perspective share. Oh, there we go. Look. Oh, I've lost my penguin. Right, that felt like if I added something. Yeah, if I like go. Can I paste? I can't really paste anymore. Paste. Where was paste handled before? Oh, okay, that works. But what I'm thinking now is, um, so Right, this is bad. Right. So yeah, what's in my brain right now is there is a question about handling cascades, which I was thinking, okay, yeah, the designs need to cascade. So now everything in, so you should just be able to change the font and it keeps the size. Everything else should be the same, right? Um, but I think the same goes for camera settings. So say you've got like, that's fun. Oh, look how it like came into color. That's cool. Um, why is that now? Dev slide background. Right, because when I just normally, okay, if I press escape, clear. Yeah, let's do. Let's use the clear selection button to. Right, so that's. Oh, I already had slide background, and then I was on a different thing, but it thinks I've selected slide background, so okay. Right, what I don't like is how it's gonna like. That's so cool, isn't it? Apart from the flicker, I think I have. What happens if I do go perspective share? Yeah, that doesn't do anything for noir. That's fun. Um, I had some other notes, reminders. Don't dox me with my reminders. Um, Ken Burns, World Falls Away. Anime speed lines, camera judder. Right, so then is this? Silo. Who's watching Silo? It's been a bit. Series has been. I don't know that it's amnesia plot. Come on. And then like flashbacks to explain the MacGuffin that led to the amnesia plot that has never been. I guess they mentioned that it was mentioned. Come on. What is this? A soap opera? Right, yeah. So what I was thinking about was I don't obviously like this selection is no good because it like makes you think that is this clickable? No. There is no live camera window. Draw. What happened to my Oh yeah. That's a bit sketchy, but and like if I hide the sidebar, can I still go yes? But it's like showing my selection. So when you come onto a card, nothing should be selected. That's for damn sure. We need to be clearing that selection as soon as you land on a card. Right? That is the first thing. How do we do that? Okay, so we'll go to unified. It's unified document view. On change of selection. Yeah, I don't know about that. All right, and change the selection. I want to also go like deselect. What is managing the editor? CueCam card editor view. Card selection. Selection. Wait, what's selection? Card editor selection. Yeah, so selection. I'm getting confused between editor selection. So it's like editor selection. Okay. Slow build. Why has that not got a thumbnail? Because I don't respond to changes to that. Why is it not? Yeah, okay. I would like the effects to be. Where's this drop down? So we've got camera effects and we've got. Oh, why has this gone all close now? I just spent ages optimizing the layout of that thing and now it's all ruined. Why is this now? Oh, because I moved adjustments down, and adjustments has it got its own. Adjustments to no. Yeah, adjustments doesn't use. Yeah, so this should now be adjustments, camera lock, background, grid. What happened to the? Oh, but it doesn't. Unless there's a car, it doesn't give you a camera effect. We need to get rid of this pink thing. CueCam card editor view. Focus. Swift UI hide focus ring. How do I disable the focus ring? It is focus effect disabled. Can I just put that on everything? Slide frames. Geometry reader. Can we just go focus effect? Just see if that gets rid of the pink. And then I'm going to finish up for the day because I hear a toddler returning from his travels. And they may be shopping to bring upstairs. And it's Friday. Do you know that it's Friday? Okay, so we can click on there, clear selection. Right, so that's no longer got the awkward focus ring. It's just got my little white, tap rect, stroke. And I just quite like it to like fade off. Okay, so when I click on it, it's just going to reassure me, but not. Okay, so we're going to get rid of clear selection. Because now it's happening when we switch around anyway. Daddy casa. Daddy casa. Okay, lots to think about. Okay, whoever's still here, take it easy. Have a good weekend. All right, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye. End stream. End stream. Click it.